All right, tips for understanding your benefit terminology. Prepare for the opportunity to pay money and monthly premiums that allow you to pay a copay to see your doctor for procedures that aren't even free until you pay down your deductible. But even after that, you still have to pay co-insurance, which is a percentage of all the medical bills until you finally pay your out-of-pocket maximum, which is the most money you have to pay in a calendar year, unless you go see an out-of-network provider, which means they likely won't pay for anything. And then none of this will even matter. Now, is this confusing? Of course it is. Let me break it down further. First, policy. This outlines the terms and conditions of what is and isn't covered. Next is your premium. This is the monthly amount you pay that's split between you and your employer. You have to pay this even if you don't see the doctor. Now, your deductible. This is what you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. For example, you go to the doctor and they charge $1,200. And your deductible is $500, which you pay before your insurance kicks in. Which means the remaining $700 will get billed to your insurance. Then copay. This is the fixed amount you pay for a specific medical service, like a doctor's visit. But depending on the plan, your insurance company will typically cover the remaining costs. Now co-insurance. This is the percentage you pay after your deductible. Say you have an 80-20 plan. Insurance is going to pay the 80% and you're responsible for the remaining 20%. Let's talk out-of-pocket maximum. It's the most you have to pay for covered medical expenses within a given year. But once you hit that, your insurance pays the rest. Now claim. This is a request for payment to your insurance provider for covered medical expenses. Lastly, in-network, out-of-network. What's the difference? For in-network, these doctors' facilities meet certain requirements that agree to accept a discounted rate for covered services under the health plan. But if they don't have a contract with your health plan, they're out of network and they can charge you full price.